Frustration over vaccine mandates. Thousands of parents who want a choice about vaccinating their children staged a school walkout today. Live Captain 3 was over the state capitol as this crowd gathered. They are there against the governor's mandate requiring all students get the shot once it has final approval from the FDA. We asked some of these parents who oppose the mandate what they are planning to do.
What happens when they lock the door on these kids and don't let them into school?
Yeah, and then we have to homeschool them, and how are we supposed to work and provide for our children? So really, it's really not a choice. They say you can homeschool. That's really not a choice.
What if the day comes they lock the school on them? They lock the doors, don't let them in?
Then we homeschool. I have one kid, like I said. I don't want him to. We like sports. He does sports, but we'll do what we have to do.
Several of the protesters say they are protecting the right to choose. KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri is live in our newsroom now. So, Lizzie, you spent the day looking into parents' rights in this situation. What'd you learn today?
Brian, we talked to Professor Leslie Gilo-Jacobs at the McGeorge School of Law, and here's what she said in response to people who might have questions about whether a statewide vaccine mandate for students is constitutional.
Governments imposing vaccine requirements have been held consistent with the Constitution a number of times. And so a claim that there's a constitutional right not to get a vaccine, again, it's going to depend upon some level of need to have the vaccine. But so long as it's there, it should be upheld.
And there are a few things to keep in mind here. Vaccines mandated through the legislature, like we have against the measles, mumps, and rubella, only allow for medical exemptions. Instead of legislation, though, this COVID-19 vaccine mandate is being established by regulation through the California Department of Public Health. So that means the COVID vaccine mandate must include exemptions for personal beliefs. The details of how those exemptions will work in this case, though, have not yet been determined. CDPH will have to go through a rulemaking process that will include public comment for that. Students without an exemption will be required to get vaccinated to go to class in person at the start of the term after the vaccine gets full approval from the FDA, which the state projects could be by July 1st for students 12 and up in 7th through 12th grade.
So, Lizzie, though, for some of these school districts, this requirement might come earlier, correct?
Right. There will be a state standard, but each county or school district can also accelerate the vaccine requirements. So that's what we saw with the Sacramento City Unified School District. They're requiring students to show proof of at least one dose by the start of second semester. Back to you.
All right. We'll see how this unfolds. Thank you, Lizzie. And we did reach out to the governor's office today after this walkout about the vaccine mandate. A spokesperson told us vaccines are how we end this pandemic. The state already requires that students are vaccinated against a range of viruses such as measles, mumps, and rubella. There's no reason why we wouldn't do the same for COVID-19.